Hello everyone. So since it's been raining hard in Manila, I'm not able to play my Kyosho HOR outside, so I'm taking this opportunity to basically fix slash upgrade my hang long T90. Wait, I actually forgot how to open. Okay, so this is what's inside. Hold up, let me move some things. Okay, so this is my hang long. This is the gears with the blue motor. I think this is like the medium speed. Red is the fastest. Then my speaker, DIY speaker box, and then TK22. I actually forgot already. So what I'm going to fix now is the elevation. So I'll be upgrading this and I'll be using a servo for the elevation. Alright. But I was able to separate the upper and lower half. So let me work on the upper half. That's where our mod is going. Alright, up next, I think we just need to remove these screws to separate the gear and this barrel, this head part. I forgot what it's called. So there, I'm just gonna remove these screws to take off the gear. Okay, we need to remove another wire. This here. Okay, so this combination red white, we're able to separate this from the body, and this is where we're gonna be working for the elevation mod. Alright, so to gain access there, we need to remove these screws to open it. Alright, now I think we can just pull this off, right? Not sure what's stopping it. Okay, hold on. Able to separate it. It was a bit tricky since the accessory is already installed, but good thing I didn't glue it with this part. I didn't glue the accessories together. Alright, so now next is to decide where to put the servo for the elevation mod. Okay, and we were able to remove this one as well. I actually forgot how this whole thing works. Okay, so now I'm going to remove this. I think there are 3 screws that just need to be removed, and we'll proceed to the next step. Okay, and this is the elevation unit, which we are going to remove or disable, and then we'll be replacing it with the servo. So this is the culprit, guys, and no need to further test it since I'll be replacing this with a servo. Okay, so this is what I did. Attach the servo there. It has a double-sided tape plus ziplock. to secure it more in place. And then I used a spare servo horn here, and then this particular link is from my K9, the stock link there, and this ball head screws as well from K969. So let's go ahead and test it. We are now going to test it. So this is my DIY mount from a servo horn, then the links that you see there, this is from a K969, and of course just a 9-gram servo, double-sided tape and zip tie. That's how simple it is. Now, moment of truth. Will it work? Yes. There we go. So that's elevation. So happy it worked. And it's not that fast, so it's kind of scale, right? So cool. And then of course my first ever mod. I'm so happy that that it worked. Took some time finding the right parts, contemplating where to set it up, but I'm so happy with the result. So I'm going to assemble it now and then show you the test run.